Hello friends. Welcome to the video series of yoga. This is part 2. Introduction to yoga. Synopsis. You will learn the basic techniques and concepts of yoga in this video. 1. Exercise 2. Breathing techniques 3. Meditation techniques. To get mentally and physically fitness. Check link given in the description. 1. Exercise. Human body is treated with lots of respect and care in yoga, and this allows the yoga exercises to be very friendly and calming for body structure. Once you start practicing these exercises, then, you will see that there is no twist in these exercises and they are very basic poses which are formulated by yogis to develop peace within the body structure. 2. Breathing techniques. Breathing techniques were included in this process because breathing is the source of life, and when your source of life is out of order, then, how can you expect to have harmony and order in your life? Breathing techniques help person to gain control over his whole body and his whole internal system as well. These techniques are little difficult to learn, but yoga is all about practice and you can learn them by regular practice easily. 3. Meditation techniques. Meditation is another thing which is necessary for yoga practice, but there is some misconception involved about this technique and people think that their mind has to go blank for meditation. This is not the case because meditation is just another self-controlling technique which allows you to think more clearly and it harmonizes your thoughts and actions. All three of the above things are very necessary part of yoga, and you have to learn all three of the above step by step. You can say these techniques are the stairs to master yoga. Most of the people become hesitant and say that they have never done any stretching exercise and they cannot learn the difficult poses of yoga, but this is a wrong thinking. Yoga is for everyone who wants peace and harmony in his life. There is nothing in this world which is made and designed for specific people. Instead, all humans have equal capabilities and everyone can practice and master yoga. You just need to concentrate very hard on these skills and integrate them in your life in such a way that they become your habit. There is a saying that you should make yoga so much important part of your life that you may forget to eat, but you should never forget to practice yoga. This saying can tell you the importance of regularity in yoga. The first thing which yoga will give you will be a great looking and perfectly healthy body which everyone wants, and after that later stages of breathing techniques and meditation appear. To get mentally and physically fitness. Check link given in the description. Like and share this video. Subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.